Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with us how to create a thread logo. Okay, all of us know that Thread is a new social media platform launched by Meta, formerly known as Facebook, okay, in July 2023. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to create the logo from the scratch, like what you are seeing on your screen now here in Pixellab. So if this is what you enjoy doing, please don't forget to like this video. If you are a new person to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and like the video. Put in the comment section what you think about the video, and if you have any challenge, don't hesitate to let me know about it. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's jump into the video. So guys, we are here on our Pixellab. I'm going to clear my screen right now. I'm going to clear my screen. Okay, let me delete everything right here. So let me undo this. Let me increase the opacity. Select and increase the opacity. Okay guys, so this is the thread logo that I got it from social media. I got it from online, so I downloaded it. So we are going to create exactly this with our Pixellab. We are going to create exactly this with our Pixellab. So I'd like you to open to your Pixellab right now so that you can be following me on what I'm doing right here. So the first thing we are going to do, I'm going to reduce the opacity of this logo. So I'm going to reduce the opacity. Okay, I think something like this is okay. I'm going to reduce the opacity, to click OK. So I'm going to lock it. I'm going to head over to our I'm going to lock it. So right here we have it right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in Bezier tool. So Bezier tool, we are going to work, please watch closely, we are going to work very well with Bezier tool. So the next thing I'm going to do, let me zoom up a little, let me zoom up so that we can be able to get those points what we are going to do. Let me zoom up. Okay, I think this is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to this edit point. I'm going to edit point. I'm going to drop this here, the first point. I'm going to drop the second one here. So I'm going to tap on this first one, take it like this, tap the second point, carry it like this. So guys, we got that one right. Okay, we got that one right. So we are going to just be careful to do this for it to come out very well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to tap to this add point again. I'm going to tap it, then tap my screen to add a point. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this edit point and edit it for it to come out well. So I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to place the second point there and then edit it for it to come out very well. Okay, so guys, you're going to take time and just edit it for it to come up very well. Place in the center there. I'm going to come to this other side and edit the points. So that is okay. So I'm going to tap on add point. I'm going to tap the screen to add a point right there. So I'm going to go to edit point and edit it right here. So I'm going to edit it. So guys, we get that right. So the next thing, I'm going to tap again on point, add point. I'm going to tap on my screen to add a point. Going to tap on edit point for me to be able to edit the point. So I'm going to edit it right here. So guys, I hope you guys are following. Hope you are following. So it's very simple, it's very easy. I want to place that in the middle. Okay, we have successfully placed it in the middle. So I think that is okay. I think that is okay. That is right. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on add point. I'm going to tap my screen right now to add a point. Okay, no, let me. So I'm going to go to edit point to edit the point I just added. To tap here to take this. Let me take it a bit. Okay, that is cool. So I'm going to add points again. So guys, we are almost done. I'm going to tap on my screen. I'm going to tap on my screen. So I'm going to go to edit point and let me take it here. Take it to the extreme. Let me put it in the middle. And then edit it for it to come out well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to drop this here. I just want to get it right. I'm going to drop it here. So I'm going to drop that right there. I'm going to edit this side, this other point. I'm going to edit it to fit it very well. So guys, I hope you are following me. It's very simple. Very simple. We are almost done with it. So guys, basically we are done creating our logo. So the next thing we are going to do is on this stroke width, we are going to put it here. Going to put the edge on this side. I'm going to click on that side, that one, and then I'm going to increase the stroke here. I'm going to increase the stroke there. So I'm going to head over to that edit point. Guys, you can see that we need to work on this point. Okay. So guys, we are done creating our logo. So let me zoom back. Let me zoom it back. We are done creating our logo. I'm going to so guys, that is right, cool. We are done. So I'm going to give it a white color. Go to color, enable the color, I'm giving it a white color. So I'm going to hide this other one, then bring in a shape. I'm going to bring in a shape, give it a black color. Then I'm going to increase the radius a bit to about 16. Okay, I'm going to increase this. I'm going to okay it, take it to the back. So guys, you can see we have our logo right here. So guys, let's do a small thing here. Okay, so guys, you can see we have a trade logo right here. It's looking so beautiful, it's looking so nice. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about graphic design and more tips and tricks. So guys, with all of that, see you in our next video. Goodbye.